Imagine the intense burning sensation when you pulled that shirt across your skin after not wearing enough sunblock at the Jersey Shore. That's the type of pain that some chronic pain patients experience. According to the National Academy of Medicine, 100 million Americans are suffering from some form of chronic pain. That can be anything from fibromyalgia to chronic migraine to the pain that's caused by arthritis. So let's ask a very simple question. What is pain and why do we experience it? Pain is a sensory modality that helps protect an organism from tissue-harming substances or situations. It's essentially a way to protect us. You can imagine there are a number of things that can cause pain for an individual. You can think about a bee sting, you can think about a broken arm, you can think about your appendix bursting when you have appendicitis. The interesting thing too about pain is that because your brain processes the signal that comes in, each and every person is going to experience that pain signal slightly differently. This might explain why a bee sting might make my friend Matt shrug it off, but that same exact bee sting is going to cause my friend Steve to break out into tears. Chronic pain, by definition, is essentially pain that has outlasted its importance. It's pain that is still occurring long after you've healed and you no longer need that signal to tell you that something is wrong. You can imagine if you break an arm, you go to the physician so the physician can fix that. They can help you heal that broken arm. With chronic pain, however, there are certain changes that are almost permanent throughout your nervous system. And because of that, it's not so simple as to go to the physician and just have it modified and corrected. You have to treat that chronic pain for significant periods of time. Pain is incredibly complex. The types of neurons responsible for lower back pain are very different than the types of neurons that are responsible for chronic migraine. So you can imagine how complex that ends up being, because each and every type of chronic pain has its own different nuances that makes them incredibly different from one another. Let's go a level deeper. Two people can experience that lower back pain in completely different ways, and that's because their brains are different from one another. Their own psychology will shape the way that they experience the lower back pain. Because no two pain conditions are exactly the same, and no person experiences an individual pain condition in the same exact way, it makes our job as pain researchers very, very challenging, because pain, again, is just so incredibly complex.